What if I told you that Google just launched a groundbreaking robotic brain that doesn't need to rely on the internet or cloud computing? No lag, no outages, and no Wi-Fi required. This isn't sci-fi, folks. Google's Gemini Robotics has just dropped a real-world, independent robot brain that can think and act in real time. It's a game changer in the world of robotics. So stick with me because we're diving deep into this brand new tech and exploring how it could revolutionize everything from factories to space missions. On June 24th, Google DeepMind made a major leap forward with Gemini Robotics, an autonomous brain that runs directly on the robot itself. That's right, this stripped-down version of Gemini 2.0 is no longer reliant on the cloud. This means robots powered by Gemini can make decisions and execute tasks instantly, whether they're working in a factory, performing at home, or even out in space. And it's all thanks to the fact that this new system operates offline. No need to wait for data to travel to a distant server. The robot thinks and acts on the spot. Imagine it, a robot that doesn't need to phone home for help. It already has all the smarts it needs built in. So what's all the fuss about this technology? Let's break it down. The power of on-device technology. Before Gemini Robotics, robots relied heavily on cloud computing, sending and receiving data over the internet. But there was always a lag, and if there were issues with the cloud or Wi-Fi, the robots could lose their edge. With Gemini, DeepMind has solved this problem by bringing all the power directly to the robot. Now, robots don't need to send data to a server to process complex tasks. Everything happens right there on the device. Imagine walking up to a robot that doesn't hesitate to react. It does so in a matter of milliseconds, just like a human brain processing a fast decision. This offline system is compact and efficient. DeepMind has managed to shrink down the brain to fit into a small dual-arm Aloha rig while still handling tasks like vision processing, language understanding, and action planning. The response time? Unbelievably fast. It's within tens of milliseconds. Super important when the robot is on a mission to adjust its actions in real time. Take, for instance, a robot working in a warehouse. When it detects a box moving, it reacts instantly, adjusting its movement before the box shifts too far away. That's the kind of performance we're talking about here. Real-world performance. Testing Gemini Robotics. But does it actually work? You bet it does. DeepMind's engineers demonstrated the Gemini Robotics technology by putting it to the test in real-world scenarios. Imagine a robot on a factory floor, folding a shirt with actual creases or unzipping a lunchbox. Sounds easy, right? But these are tasks that usually take a lot of programming time to perfect. Here's the kicker. Gemini robots perform these tasks after only seeing 50 to 100 examples. That's right. You don't need to teach them for thousands of hours like we've done in the past. The fact that they can pick up such tasks in no time is a huge leap forward for AI and robotics. It's efficient, fast, and way ahead of where we were just a few years ago. Now let's talk numbers. DeepMind has shown Gemini Robotics outperforming previous on-device models, and it's even giving hybrid cloud models a run for their money. And when the robot faces challenges like tricky lighting or unseen objects, it doesn't flinch. It's still on point. If that doesn't impress you, nothing will. The big picture, AI changing industries. Now let's zoom out a bit. Think back to 2019, when self-driving cars seemed like a futuristic dream. Fast forward to today, there are over 400,000 Teslas driving themselves every single day. It's not just cars. AI adoption has shot up by 270% in just 3 years. Businesses are seeing a 15% productivity boost thanks to the technology, and experts like McKinsey are predicting that AI will add a whopping $13 trillion to the global economy by 2030. But with great change comes some challenges. 375 million people will need to shift careers as AI reshapes industries. That's why I'm excited to share a free 2-day live AI training event by Outskill, where you can learn hands-on about AI tools, prompt engineering, automation, and more. Normally priced at $895, this 16-hour immersive event is free for you if you sign up now. Link in the description. Gemini Robotics in action, real-world examples. All right, back to the robots. In a demo reel that had everyone talking, Gemini Robotics performed tasks like pouring dressing into a narrow container without spilling, and even sliding a cart out of a deck. These are tasks that require precision, quick thinking, and fine motor skills. Watching the robot in action, you can see how far AI has come. It's no longer just a theoretical concept. It's a tool that's ready to be used in the real world, and it gets even more impressive. The system isn't just tailored for one robot. In DeepMind's demo, they trained the same model on 2 completely different types of robots. Franca FR3, and Apptronic's Apollo humanoid. These robots have completely different body structures, yet the Gemini brain adapted to them without needing to retrain the whole model. The same robot brain that can fold a shirt on one bot can assemble a belt drive on another. That's the beauty of embodiment-agnostic skill libraries. You train the model once and deploy it on any robot. Developers and customization, your turn to innovate. Let's talk tech for a second. Gemini Robotics offers a full SDK for developers to get hands-on with this tech. If you're a developer, you can access tools like Mojo co-simulation environments. This physics engine runs on your laptop, and it lets you test the robot in virtual environments, like kitchens or factories, before you even touch the real thing. You collect data, fine-tune the model, and push it directly to the robot's flash storage. For the first time ever, Google has officially supported fine-tuning on such a system, making it easy for developers to adapt robots to new tasks. For example, let's say you need a robot to learn a special cupcake frosting pattern. Record a few examples, run the local optimizer, and voila, your robot's good to go, all without waiting for a global update from Google. Safety first, built-in protection. Of course, with all this power comes responsibility. DeepMind has designed this system with safety in mind. The robots come with semantic filters, torque limits, and collision risk monitoring built into the system. They've created new benchmarks for testing how the robot handles tricky situations, like ambiguous instructions. And before any new code is released, DeepMind runs rigorous safety checks to ensure the robots won't act recklessly. This isn't just about building robots that can perform complex tasks, it's about ensuring they do so safely. With these built-in safeguards, these robots are ready to be deployed in sensitive environments like warehouses, hospitals, or offshore rigs, where safety and security are top priorities. The future of robotics. So what's next? Gemini Robotics marks the beginning of a new era of autonomous machines, robots that can operate in environments with limited or no internet access, whether it's logistics hubs, hospitals, or even space missions. These robots are designed to thrive in challenging conditions. With Gemini, we're looking at robots that can make decisions, adapt on the fly, and perform highly precise tasks without needing to call for help. Google's Gemini Robotics is proof that we're not just imagining the future of AI and robotics, we're building it right now. From faster reaction times to off-grid functionality, this technology is ready to change how we work and live. If you're a developer or just someone passionate about robotics, this is your chance to get in early. Don't forget to sign up for the Outskill AI training session this Friday for a hands-on experience that could kickstart your career in AI. You won't want to miss it. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates as we explore the fascinating world of AI and robotics. The future is here, and it's offline, adaptive, and ready to work.